At Sanam Saeed and Fawad, are there any other people that you have like seriously respect for the art of acting? Because this is what you're doing. You talked about one drama which has been a long time ago.
Yeah.
Is there any other thing which has
There are a
happened
lot of
recently?
people now I have a lot of respect for as actors.
Huh.
I have a lot of respect for Sajjal Ali
Okay.
because I think she's choosing her dramas very carefully. She's really being that responsible figurehead, for the industry. I have incredible respect for Yumna Zaidi as well. Again, the same thing. She's passionate about her work. She's not into idhar udhar ki cheezein kar lo, काम करती है, solid, घर जाती है, काम कर रही है और अच्छा काम कर रही है, making good choices, all of that. I have a lot of respect for Bilal Abbas Khan. I think him as well. He's not somebody who will find at parties or, interviews with Baitha Hua. He's not looking for fame or popularity or every campaign or, but he does really good work. He's a really good actor. The younger lot is really good. I think, I mentioned this yesterday in the review as well. I think that Shuja Asad has huge potential. I mean, he's your next superstar. He's your next superstar. I mean, he's fashionable. He can do the Garib Gali Ka Ladka and he can do the rich kind of, negative role. He's got a great range. And I mean, एक दो दिन की बात नहीं, कब से लगा हुआ है वो. It's not like एकदम overnight fame मिली है. I think Seher Khan has huge potential. And she's realizing that. जैसे जैसे वो serious project कर रही है, she's finding that confidence. So, मेरे लिए तो all these kids are like, I tell them my career is older than you guys. I mean, really. You've seen them grow. You've seen the industry grow.
Right.
And you have a sincere love for the industry. I mean, I'm not here to make money. I'm not. It's a byproduct. पैसे बन रहे हैं, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बन रहे हैं. I'm not here to make money.
मज़ा भी आ रहा है ना?
बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है.
Enjoy कर रही हूँ.
Yeah, because you're part of something that is alive, and you're part of something that is growing and that has a future and that people talk about. Not here, but anywhere.
What about the plays?
There are some really good dramas.
Like after Zindagi Gulzar hai,
there are some really good dramas. No, to mention them offhand, but जैसे पिछले साल जर्द पत्तों का बन, सज्जल अली and Hamza Suhail, another one who's got huge potential. Fantastic drama. गाँव की कहानी है, लेकिन progressive कहानी है. Really good, underrated. नहीं वो views आए.
This is the one that वो उठती है, वो काम करना शुरू कर देती है. Is that the one? I don't know.
No, गाँव की लड़की है, who wants to be a doctor.
हाँ.
Because उसके गाँव में lady doctor नहीं है.
हाँ.
And they're conservative. And how she falls in love with another doctor. And it was really a beautiful story.
Okay.
Yeah, so my favorite, of course, Mustafa Afridi and Saifi Hassan. Great duo. So they're really good stories. And then there are some stories that are just like, pure entertainment. You watch them and you laugh and, वो भी हैं. Yeah.
Like what?
Like there's this new one that started Dayan.
Dayan?
With Mehwish Hayat.
Is the Dayan
It's
meaning
not
it's not a horror?
No.
Or
It's
she's just a witch?
No. अभी तो she's this little miskeen लड़की. सोचो जरा, Mehwish Hayat is playing like a 21-year-old बेचारी college की लड़की. I know. It's like you need to suspend your logic completely. बेचारी सी वो लड़की है और उसको जिससे मोहब्बत थी, उसको उसके बाप ने नशे की हालत में शराबी है बाप, उसको मार दिया. और अब अभी it's like the 4th, 5th episode, but we're seeing like a खून भरी मांग कि उसकी transformation होगी, फिर वो बाल कटा के red lipstick लगा के आएगी.
Oh, so it's predictable.
हाँ.
ये
And
मैं
you're
खुद भी
like,
लिख
oh
सकती
my
हूँ
God,
script.
you watch
Someone
this
में बैठ के
you
script
watch
लिख
it and
सकती
you roast it,
Yeah.
Yeah, you watch
Do you
it.
want to write a drama ever?
No.
Thought about this? Never.
No.
Film?
No, if I
Screenplay,
write
short
तो
documentary.
लिखूंगी तो किताब ही लिखूंगी
किताब ही लिखोगे.
हाँ.
So do you miss that? I mean, I know कि
I miss writing so
छोटी
much.
content लिखना पड़ता है social media के लिए. You have people for that, right?
No, I write my captions myself, but hardly. It's like 3 lines.
अच्छा भी
उसमें
कभी
क्या है?
ऐसे हुआ है? I know that there's been a lot of political posts. Do you get a lot of those that you have to post and you're cringing? I have to.
No.
You don't? Do you say no?
No, I say no. I've never been approached, but I have actually, and I said no. The thing is that, so I have a thing. Of course, social media पे paid content होता है, collaborations भी हम लोग करते हैं. मगर एक तो है ना कि आपने किसी ऐसे ब्रांड के साथ किया जो आप नहीं पहनते, but you recognize that they've got something happening, they've got quality. It's just not your style. You'll still promote it. But if somebody asks me to do आप कोई weight loss medication promote कर दें, which could be dangerous for somebody, I'm not going to do it. So I'm not going to promote something that can be
you have
dangerous
checks
for
and
people.
balances.
I do. And also I'm not going to promote like political people that I don't align with.
That I know.
Ideological.
Because आपने मुझे रिफ्यूज कर दिया था जब मैंने आपको पीएम के डिनर पे बुलाया था.
Okay.
मुझे पता है ना. I'm just saying that.
Yeah.
I know कि that's where I see. It's not that I don't disrespect that. I respect that. Because I do see कि आमना इसानी at certain point which people don't think. वो कहते हैं जो पैसे लेके वो पोस्ट लगा देती हैं. It's not like that. It's not like that.
You see, Priya, people will think how they themselves operate.
Yeah.
जो वो खुद कर रहे हैं वो अगले को भी सोचेंगे ना वो भी ऐसा ही है. उनको तो नहीं पता मैं कैसी हूँ. बोलता नहीं. फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता बोलता.
I don't know about you guys, but you hear her and you
फर्क ही नहीं
see
पड़ता.
that confidence from her and that she has the thing, but you're also it's not it's a hard and fast rule. There's always that middle space where you do go yourself to assess